Hey everybody, Coach Wieand here with my son Derek, and today we are going to dissect the baseball. Here we have a Major League Baseball. We're going to cut it open and see what's inside. A Major League Baseball weighs about 5 ounces and has 108 seams. I'm going to cut each seam, peel off the leather, and see what's inside, and then go from there. Okay, so we peeled off the leather, and what we have is a real sticky inside. And it looks like we have a sticky mass of string. So now we're going to just start taking the string apart to see what's inside and what's at the center.
I see the yucky part.
No.
First thing off.
Okay, so we got the first layer off. There was a layer of real sticky string that we tried to unwind it, but we ended up having to cut it because it was just really stuck together. And now we're down to the next part, which it looks like it's less sticky white string, and it looks like beneath the white string there's some black strings. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep unraveling.
So many strings. Oh, easy.
Okay, we're making serious progress. We took the cover off, then we cut out the sticky string, which then revealed more white string. We unwound that, and now we're down to black string, which looks almost like yarn. So we are going to keep going. We're going to unravel the yarn and see what's inside the center of the baseball. Derek is getting so close. Right now the ball is like the size of a ping pong ball as he just keeps going and unwinding all the yarn, and we got a whole bunch of baseball guts. As we get down near the end, he's down to one string, and what is inside? What's going to be at the center of this baseball? Keep going. What's going to be at the center? We're almost there.
Oh.
What is it? What's at the center of a Major League Baseball? We're almost there.
It's a bouncy ball.
Let's get a tight shot of this. Bring it up to the camera. Okay, at the very center, we have a red ball. It's like the size of a ping pong ball, and it feels like a bouncy ball. It's solid. It's solid. It's rubbery. It's squishy. Now, what's inside of this ball? Well, we can't stop there. We're going to cut this open and see what's exactly is inside of this red ball that's in the center of the baseball.
It took us this much yarn to get to the red bouncy ball.
Now, what's inside of the red bouncy ball?
We're gonna see.
Yeah, we can't stop here. We're going to cut that red ball open and see what is inside of the center of a baseball.
Yeah.
Okay, the ball is in a vise, and I'm going to use my hacksaw to cut it open. Here we go. Okay, so inside the red ball, which we cut open with a hacksaw, the big reveal. Go ahead, Derek, show us.
It's cork.
Inside is a piece of cork, a little cork ball that's very light. So if you take it out, pop it out, we have a little cork ball, which I cut open just to make sure, and it's just solid cork. It's very light. So there it is. There it is. We did it. We cut open a baseball.
We did all of this work just to find a cork ball. A cork.
Okay, so to review, baseball has 108 stitches. You cut the stitches, you peel off the leather. Inside there's a sticky mess of yarn and string. You peel that off. Then you have another layer of string that's white. You peel that off. You have this dark bluish purple string that's actually like yarn. You unwind all that, which takes a while, and you get a red bouncy ball. And you cut that open with a hacksaw and you get a cork ball in the center. And that, my subscribers, is what's inside of a baseball.
It looks like a red little Pac-Man.
It sure does. Looks like a little Pac-Man. All right, everybody, have a great night. And there'll be more demos coming soon. School start up in a few weeks, so stay tuned for some awesome science demos and other things on Coach Wieand Demos. Like and subscribe. Have a good night.